Chabi!
Wow!
Hello, children. I have a story to tell you.
Please tell us and make us happy.
The story today is about Ezezemali. If the ear is told something and it refuses to hear, when you cut off the head, the ear goes with it. Now there was this couple who were married for a long time. They did not have any children. Finally, they had a girl, very beautiful girl, and they named her Ezezemali. She was the apple of her father's eye. The father would not scold her. Ezezemali did whatever she pleased. And this worried the mother, because that she's an only child does not mean that you have to spoil her. After they had this Ezezemali, they couldn't conceive again to have any other children. So Ezezemali was an only child. But because of her beauty and the way she goes out to people, she had a lot of friends and she didn't miss not having other siblings. Ezezemali loved to pick fruits with her friends, especially after a rainstorm. Sometimes they will come in late and the mother will ask her, "Why are you late?" Ezezemali will say, "Oh, mommy, mother, it's because we were picking fruits. We saw so many that we didn't know when it was dark. And then I had to run home." The mother said, "Well, as you're picking fruits with your friends, be careful. Don't go into the farms of spirits, because they don't take kindly to humans picking fruits from their farm." Ezezemali said, "Oh, mommy, mother, I'm not born today. I know how to avoid the farms of spirits." Okay, so one day, it happened that after a heavy rainstorm, Ezezemali and her friends went to pick fruits. They picked and picked, they used their wrapper. They will pick and put inside the wrapper, pick and put inside the wrapper. And they collected a lot. The friends said, "Let's go." It was at that time that Ezezemali turned and saw an ugili tree. Ugili is like a wild mango, not like mango. The inside is slimy. Most people don't like to eat ugili as such. And the people who grow ugili not for the fruit, but for the seed inside it. Because it's like omono. It's used as a thickener in soups, in a draw soup. And they plant it, if you go, you can eat ugili, but you have to drop the seed for the farmer. Ezezemali now ran to this farm and saw this ugili. In her haste, she did not see the omu. That's this young shoot of palm. Omu is called yellow. She did not see that it was tied around the farm. And even on the ugili tree, there was omu round it, meaning that it belongs to a spirit. Ezezemali didn't know. Her longer throat for ugili was so much that she ran in, she took the first one and ate. Oh, so sweet. She used her wrapper, she started collecting, and then, in order not to miss her friends, she ran with what she had collected. When she got to her friends, they said, "Ezezemali, you mean you still went back? You went back to collect ugili?" Ezezemali, "One of these days, this your love for ugili will put you into trouble." She laughed and they went home. A few days later, Ezezemali's father was passing by the road near this spirit ugili tree when a spirit man called him. "Welcome, my in-law." Oh, he was shocked. He said, "Who said that?" "Welcome, my in-law." He looked and he saw this ugly, very ugly spirit man inside the farm. And he said, "How am I your in-law?" And the spirit man started telling him, Ezezemali's father. Ezezemali's father begged him, please. Ezezemali is my only child. It's our only child. What do you want? We can give you any other thing but my daughter. The spirit man said, no. All I know is that Ezezemali took my ugili and she must marry me. Please, on the next market day, prepare because we are coming to take her as a wife. The father cried, no way. So he went home, called Ezezemali's mother and Ezezemali and told them what happened. All of them cried. After crying, they said, let's go to the traditional ruler, the Igwe. Let's go and tell him. Maybe he can do something. So they went to Igwe's house and told him. The Igwe listened and said, no, this is beyond me. We have to call the chief priest that is in charge of evil forest. He talks to spirits and he knows how they communicate. They will listen to him. So they went and told the chief priest. After listening, he said, oh, you know, the fly that refuses to hear, when you bury the corpse, the fly goes with it. He said, Ezezemali, you have been warned. You did not listen. We have had this problem in the past where humans went and picked fruits in the farms of spirits. It caused a big problem. After we resolved it, we now said that in future, all the spirits must identify their farms. They must mark it using omu, that is the tender shoot of palm. So that human beings, when they see the omu, they know no trespassing. It's a no-go area, it belongs to spirits.
And if it's a tree, the omu is tied around the trunk.
So, Ezezemali, since you disobeyed, I think what will happen is that next market day, you will prepare and the spirits will come and marry you. They said there's nothing else we can do. The chief priest said nothing else. So they went home very sad. Next market day, they prepared. All the village people, they came. The spirit people, they came from their spirit world. And they feasted and ate. And the spirit people took Ezezemali with them. And Ezezemali was seen no more again. Chabi! War. Now the moral of this story. The first one is that children must be obedient to their parents. The second one is that parents must not spoil their children. They must hold them firmly and bring them up properly. And the last one is that longer throat is very bad. It is because of the longer throat Ezezemali had for ugili that was what put her into this trouble.
For Chapi!